welcome back. This is FM show. Today being the second day as the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Ruto is touring the Mount Kenya region. It has been a loss for the then or the former Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, as his former brother or his late brother Deritu, who died who died because of cancer. The wife to former Deritu, the former governor of Nyeri, who died because of cancer as he was in office. He served in Nyeri County between the 2013 and 2017. Tena, the late Deritu's Gashagua's wife joined William Ruto convoys in Mount Kenya region after landing a state job. So, the President of the Republic of Kenya has gone ahead to humiliate his former Deputy President, that is Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, by paying or appointing the sister-in-law to Rigathi Gachagua, that is the wife to the late Gashagua's brother, into a state job. And this has made the wife to the late Gashagua's brother to follow President William Ruto in his convoys around the Mount Kenya region. They want to push the narrative that Rigathi Gachagua took away his brother's wealth and despised or chased away his wife after he died. So, Margaret Karugaro, the sister-in-law of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, joined President William Ruto convoy on the first day of his tour in the Mount Kenya region. Deputy President Kithure Kindiki acknowledged her presence and announced that Ruto and appointed her as a commissioner at the National Gender and Equality Commission. This comes as tensions between President Ruto and his former Deputy Gachagua appear to be escalating, with both launching verbal attacks against each other at every opportunity they get. Margaret Karugaro, former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's sister-in-law, joined President William Ruto's convoy on the first day at his tour of the Mount Kenya region. Karugaro is the widow of Deritu Gachagua, the late brother of former Deputy President and a former Nyeri governor. So, while speaking in Nyeri County on Tuesday, Deputy President Kithure Kindiki acknowledged Karugaro's presence. Kindiki added that President William Ruto and appointed her as a commissioner at the National Gender and Equality Commission. Dr. Margaret Karugaro, the widow of former Nyeri Governor Deritu Gachagua, has been appointed by President Ruto as a commissioner at the National Gender and Equality Commission, which addresses women issues. Karugaro was appointed by Ruto to the position in April 2023 and was sworn in by Chief Justice Martha Koome, who also serves as President of the Supreme Court of Kenya. His Excellency, the President, in exercise of the powers conferred on him, has nominated Dr. Karugaro for appointment as a member of the National Gender and Equality Commission, NGEC. National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula noted as he read Ruto's message to the House. So, this came a day after Ruto publicly addressed the source of his rift with his former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. The head of state claimed that Gachagua demanded about 10 billion from him to help drum up support in the vote-rich Mount Kenya region. In an interview with vernacular media outlet ahead of his week-long tour to the region, Ruto claimed that Gachagua said that if he didn't provide the money, he would make him a one-term president. The country's leader said he was surprised by Gachagua's demand but refused to succumb to the pressure. Ruto made it clear that he rejected Gachagua's demands, placing him his trust in the people of the Mount Kenya region and the entire country. Ruto further revealed that before Gachagua's 10 billion request, their bad blood began with a series of public and private disputes after the 2022 general elections. He recounted how he resolved one issue after another as conflict arose between Gachagua, his close allies, and key figures in his administration. The president also criticized Gachagua's alleged role in those tensions, especially his conflict with key political figures and MPs in the country. So, the president is going ahead humiliating his former deputy, that is Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, because why should the wife of Derry to be in that convoy? At first place, the president was in Nyeri. Nyeri, we can say that Karugara was the first lady of Nyeri during his husband's rule in Nyeri. So the president, as a can, the president knows what he is doing. So we know the president route of taking away people's ego. He does not only humiliate you or take your powers. He goes ahead and humiliate you at the center of your family or in your backyard. So the president has taken away Gashagua's ego by making or bringing the sister-in-law of Gachagua in that rallies, and he knows very well that Gachagua is against the rally. So should we say, is the president biased, or is the president a bad person, or is the wife of the is the sister-in-law of Gachagua who is bad? Which is which? My guys, consider leaving a comment on the comment section. Tell us, what do you think of this story? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, comment, and like. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.